Hi, Sahil.
Hello. Hi.
It's nice to see you. I understand that you've been showing SmartBug 2.0. You're at 2.0 by now. Can you
Yes,
tell me what it is and how it helps the world?
definitely. So SmartBug 2.0 is is the next version of our SmartBug 1.0, which we launched 3 years ago, and that was an amazing success, especially in the world of IoT. Because all our customers, all the users, IoT users, wanted something small and easy to collect data. And data collection from sensors seems trivial, but it's actually
Oh,
pretty
no.
difficult, especially from like 7 sensors wirelessly. It's a tricky thing. So we decided to do this and make the data collection path very, very easy. That's how SmartBug 1.0 was born. Then we said customers are like, can you add some machine learning? Can you make it smarter? Can I use that data and do some machine learning on chip at very low power? Said okay. So that's how SmartBug 2 was born. We added few other features also, but machine learning was the main reason we wanted to do SmartBug 2.0, because now the data is a lot more useful. I can play with the data, build patterns out of data, and do a lot of analytics with it. So that's how SmartBug 2.0 was born.
So it's not just, it's doing the inference?
Yes, that's correct. So,
Wow. I mean, this, for all of you out there that don't know, this is a big deal. Okay.
no, it definitely is, and we are very excited about it because even the funnier part is this inferencing is happening on a sensor chip. It's not only happening on the bug. This bug has an IMU chip. All this inferencing, the machine learning, is actually happening on that chip at less than 30 microamperes. So now we're thinking about, we're not even talking about edge AI now. We're talking about edge square AI now, because AI is literally going on chips now. And SmartBug just makes it very easy for customers to test that AI, because it's wireless, it's small, it's cute, it's easy, so people can use it around easily.
So you got one here.
Yep, here you go.
Okay, so I'm going to take this into what, an industrial setting, or it could be a lab, it could be my pharmacy, right?
That's a
it
great
could be a
question.
smart home.
It could be anything, and that was the entire purpose. So I'll tell you, I've seen all kinds of use cases. I've seen students do sensor data analytics classes with SmartBug. So we had UC Irvine actually do a class on this. We have many research facilities actually putting this to collect data. A lot of AI engineers in various companies, software companies, are building data models with multiple sensors using SmartBug. I've seen it going on robotic companies or putting it on robot to do their final testing. It's gone on windmills. I mean, that was an application. It was unique for me. It went on a windmill to see how the windmill was moving. Was there a vibration issue? Was there a movement issue, the rotation issue? And the SmartBug was actually sitting there collecting all the information.
So in that case, it's a motion sensor.
It's got a motion sensor, it's got a pressure sensor, temperature, humidity, ultrasonic sensor, gyroscope accelerometer. So whatever.
I feel like saying, you got to be kidding me.
Exactly.
I'm sorry. I mean, like, how did you cram them all in there? You know, like, you found some people with really tiny hands, right?
I mean, that credit goes to our engineering team. I mean, at TDK, we have really smart engineers who thought of creative ways. And the best part, they put it inside, they made it look like something as cute as this. By the way, this took a lot of mechanical work for our mechanical team, engineering team, to put all these sensors, wireless connectivity with Bluetooth BLE, and a connector for Wi-Fi. Having so much in one small PCB was very challenging, but that was the craft.
It's not magnetized though, right? You can't just throw it on a cabinet.
That could be that could be our SmartBug 3, I guess.
I want credit for that. I want some credit for that.
We will definitely.
Yeah. So you could just buy one of those little magnetic strips, and then you can charge $20 for it. Like a 5-cent chip. Oh, I'm sorry. So put that there. So anyway, so you can. Okay. So talk about that a little bit more. I was just talking to DigiKey. I mean, they're trying to sell everybody's products, and man, the guy there, he has 2 engineering degrees and an MBA, and he goes, what we have at this show is we have sensors on top of wireless, on top of edge, and that's sort of all in that little package.
Exactly, and you're 100% right, because when you start only looking at components, and then you expect, but you want to explain the customer how it would work in a real application. So we wanted to do something so that, for example, if you come to our booth at TDK, a person is wearing this and doing gym movements. So he's doing his exercise movements, and the smart bug is doing inferencing and detecting what movement he was doing. Similarly, someone's
okay.
putting it on a soccer ball and kicking it around and getting all kinds of data from it. So this becomes so easy to mount anywhere, and an end customer can now understand how the sensor is being used. So that connection was very important for us to make, being a semiconductor vendor. They need to see the end application. Because if you don't solve that, then it's very difficult to sell a sensor only on specs, to show the value in terms of applications. And that's why this started, and that's how we came through it.
Is it pricey?
I mean, it's like a evaluation kit. So it's $100. We sell it for
That's
around
nothing.
$100. So that's, yeah, exactly. That's what I would say. It's super cheap. We want to encourage people to actually use it. We want people to buy it, distributors, software developers, engineers, because we want our sensors to be used in all kinds of applications. And this is an enabler for that.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the insight.
Thank you.
Great you came by.
Nice talking to you.